everyone, welcome to the channel Ani's House. In this, I'm going to tell you something which I did in my one of the White Hat Junior class, an excellent platform for not only coding. I learned about space in that class. So I had to design a model of the satellite of the Mars mission by India. And I did it using a platform known as www.tinkercad.com. So in this video, I am going to share you about that. So first of all, you need to type www.tinkercad.com, this link. So don't worry, the link is provided in the description also. So now you need to click on sign in. Now click on sign in with Google. If you have Yahoo or any other account, you can sign in with that account also. So since I'm already signed in with my Google account, it's already signing in. So this is the one which I created. It looks like this. Let me show you more nicely. If I click on view in 3D, now I can change it to many other views. Just wait a minute since it's loading. Now it's loaded, and as you can see, there are so many shape views. You can view this in bottom view, right view, and so whenever we create something in Tinkercad, we need to make sure that it's looking perfect from all the directions. It has most of the parts of the satellite. So this is the one. And if I click on Tinker this, and now it will open, and because of this we can edit. Look, it's looking really nice. I loved it. Now let me create one more design so that you could understand better how to use Tinkercad. Now I should click on create a new design. So I'm going to tell you some really basic things which is really important in Tinkercad. So there are text and numbers here, characters, and featured. I really love the featured shape generator because it has a lot of accents, spades like fidget spinner, and this shape I used it as the solar panel. So now let me not waste time and show you how to use Tinkercad. So if I take cylinder, but I want to tell you before I continue that make sure that you be at least a little bit of top view should be there so that it could be better viewing it. Yeah. So now let me continue. And if we will be in front view, okay, let us only be in front view, and then if I drag a box, then I will not be able to put it. So we should be a little bit of top view has to be there. If I'm in top and front view, if I'm in top and right view, I will be able to put some shapes. So now let me continue. Here you can move the shapes with arrow keys like this, left, right, and because of this you can again move it up, and after that you can change the angle like this. So these are one of the basic things. And if we are in front view, we can't use arrow keys. I'm giving you a warning. Then the position from the top view might change. So if I drag it up like this, we have to use it like this, and you can change the angle from here. So one more thing to changing the color of the shape, so you can be in any view for this. So suppose I'm in top and front view. Let me just make it a little down. Yeah. And now you should click on the shape and this thing appears. Now you should click on solid and you can choose any color here. Suppose if I choose green, then it will turn to green. And for if you increase the size, you can see like this. It is being more smooth like this. So this is also one more thing. And if you increase the segments like this, it will become like this. And bevel, this is for I guess bloodish. And if you and let me show you one more thing about a really interesting shape, which is there in the featured section. Yeah. So if you scroll down, that will shape like this, and you have to drag it. I think I should be in more topic. Yeah, it's coming. And now if you click on number the cells, if you will increase this, then as you can see, the number of all this is increasing. And if you click on randomizer, it will change to another designs, as you can see. If you title size, then this is the normal size. And then cell spacing, this will increase the space of the cell. And cell height, like this, it will keep increasing. Yeah, so this was it. So the same thing you can do it with any shapes. So you can explore Tinkercad and put any other shapes, whatever you want. There is also one more really important thing to change the size of the shape. So this one is for the width and the height, and this one is for the actual height, the exact. So if I'll make it to 40 and then I press enter, look, the height is increasing. And if I'll change it to maybe again 40, look, this is not the proper height. That one is the proper height. And if I'll change this to 40, then the width will increase. Look. So this is another really important thing, that whenever you want to share your project to someone, so you need to create one URL. So for that, you need to click on settings. Now click on properties, and after properties you can give any name like explanation such as, and after that you can give a description like exclamation only. Then again, the most important part is to change the privacy to public. If it will be in private, then the other people who didn't create this project will not be able to open the URL. And if you change it to public, anyone on the internet will be able to see the URL. And then after that, you should click on save changes. Okay. And then when you click on this on the project, at this page, when you will get Tinker this and all, you will get a link here. So if you click on this, and now you can copy it, and if you open a new tab and open it like this, look, it is opening like this. So these are few of the basic things of Tinkercad. So this was my video. If you want to create some amazing things like this, book a free trial class on White Hat Junior today. And I'm also going to share you the URL of some other things which I created using Tinkercad, and I'm also going to share the URL of the Tinkercad the home page to sign in, so which I already told. So thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also comment if you have any feedback. Don't forget to also click on the bell icon so that you could immediately get notified as soon as my other video gets uploaded.